Hey everyone, it's me Nadia. Today I'll be making two different slimes, but I'm not quite sure if I'm making this slime. I don't have enough clear glue. But I'm sure that I'll probably be making this slime. I named this I had no other choice, but if you guys want me to name something else, to me what I should name it in the comments down below. So yeah guys, let's get onto the materials. So, what you'll be needing is something to mix with, just using a fork, containers, any type of PVA glue. I know it's leaking, don't worry, it's dry. Gillette shaving cream, any type, has to be foam. And finally, your activator. Today I'll be using cold power. That's 1 liter. So yeah guys, let's get on to the video. So you're gonna get how much amount of glue you want. Elmer's glue is the best, but I don't think there's any Elmer's glue here in Australia, so I just decided to buy this. And then you're gonna get your shaving cream and just put it in. You have to make sure you put more shaving cream than how much you put glue for fluffy slime. At this stage, it's nowhere near the slime, so yeah, I'm just gonna keep mixing and I'll come back when I'm done. Okay guys, so about 5 minutes later, I kept mixing. It should be like at this type of consistency where it's kind of like clumping up. I didn't put any detergent or anything in this, so yeah. Right now, I'm just gonna like open this, so yeah, and like put it. I will just like show you when I'm done. And like, I love these detergent because they have like a cups where you can like put it in. So that's what it looks like. And then you're gonna like add a bit. For the food coloring, I don't have any at the moment, but I'm going today to the shops to get some different colors, and I'm also getting like beads, like foam beads. So like, I want to make like foam. Make sure guys you have like, like your hands are gonna get pretty dirty because you're gonna have to knead. So yeah guys, I'll be right back when it becomes slime. I forgot to mention, but you can use foaming hand soap, but I'm not gonna be using it today, but I will for other slime. As you can see, it's starting to become slime. I don't think it's time to knead yet, but... And guys, this is optional. You can add glue again if you need it. Like if it becomes like too soggy, then you're gonna have to add some more what was the word? no glue. So if it becomes like soggy, add more glue and then add your activator. I do have borax, but today I'm not going to be using it because it's like bad for my skin. And also I recommend using like contact lens solution and detergent. So yeah, make sure you're not using anything that's like powder of cold powder from cold powder, because it will not work and only liquid will work. The only like powder thing that will work is basically works. So guys, right now I'm gonna start kneading. Like, it's sometimes my slime gets sticky, but it doesn't actually stick to your hand. It just doesn't come off your fingers. But like, if it's like this, it just comes off. It's like really cool. And also guys, you can make it like less than like 10 minutes or even 5. But I'm taking quite a long time because, okay, there you go guys, it is slime. Or something good, if your slime turned out small like mine, then just put it against like whatever you're using to mix, because there's a lot of slime, and then just mix. After this video I'm doing a slime collection. So you guys, hope you have an amazing day. Bye.